好，可以了，可以了。
那我就直接现在开始。Shall we start?
Yes, please.
Okay. Hello guys, and big thanks to Shanghai Wu for having me. Yeah, I'm stoked to chat with everyone here, and I'm looking forward to a fun hour together. Yeah. Okay, let's start. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Yui, currently working as a BD at Hashkey Chain, and my name gigs building ecosystem partnerships, bringing in RWA projects, and developing on-chain financial infrastructure. Yeah, I got in Web3 back in April 2019. Yeah, my first job was at a public blockchain called Harming, where I stayed for 4 years before moving to Meter. Yeah, then in the second half of last year, because I was super interested in RWAs and saw potential in the compliant market, I joined Hashkey Chain. Yeah, now I focus on helping launch RWA and the stablecoin ecosystems and integrating them with on-chain infrastructure and DeFi. Yeah, so far we have partnered with the top players like CPIC Hong Kong, Bocero, and GF Securities. Yeah, we help them launch the compliant RWA products for traditional financial assets. Yeah, so feel free to hit up our official X account for more details. Yeah, okay, let's start. I think our topic is that breaking RWA's liquidity barriers, the power of DeFi solutions. Yeah. Yeah, and first of all, let's see that how we can understand or how we can explore the on-chain RWA liquidity. And the first thing is that let me define it. Yeah. So I think I can break this down into 3 questions. We'll also make it easier for everyone to understand the point clear and efficiency. Yeah, so the first question is that what even in on-chain RWA liquidity? Yeah, basically once RWA assets get on-chain and tokenized on-chain RWA liquidity is how easy these tokens are to trade, use as collateral or park into DeFi stocks. Yeah, so it's not just about trading volume or how fast the prices get set about trading set it also converts things like how you can cash out the asset, how deep the liquidity is, and whether it can handle market swinging without falling apart. Yeah. To put it in real terms, think of an on-chain token for 1 ounce of gold. If you can swap it for stablecoins on or DeFi apps in 24 hours or sell it to another user, then yeah, it's an RWA and it has value, but its liquidity is dead. Yeah. So you can see whys of RWA liquidity. Yeah. And the second question is that why do on-chain RWAs even have liquidity problems? Yeah, and I believe that this issue can be broken down into 5 factors. Each of these create obstacles to liquidity. And the first one is that Hong Kong policy limited. Right now, Hong Kong government only lets compliant on-chain RWA like MMFs or other traditional finance assets be issued in the primary market, not secondary trading. And the second one is that maturity mismatch. Most RWAs are long and meter terms, such as bonds, bills, or property rights. But on-chain users, yeah, as we know, that want short-term liquidity and quiet returns. Yeah, and the third point is that tricky valuation. Unlike stablecoins like USDT, USDC, that are pegged to the dollar. RWAs think that its private debit have unclear valuations. Yeah, it's hard to put a price on them. And the first one is that weekly secondary markets. Most RWA projects don't have a real secondary market, so that it's tough to find someone to trade with. And the last one is the no DeFi integration. Yeah, that's what I want to compare with you. That they don't work with major DeFi protocols such as DEX, lending, LPs, PerpDEX, or others, or using as collateral for stablecoin. So their assets just sit on chain. Yeah. And the third question is that why does fixing RWA liquidity even matter? Yeah, I want to understand this issue by 3 points. And one point is that compliant money need an exit. So if you can't make sure RWA tokens can be liquidated or sold, traditional finance institutions won't hold them in a big amount. Yeah. And the second one is DeFi and RWAs can grow without it. Yeah, no liquidity means no way to set interest rates, and the RWAs cannot be the backbone or on-chain stablecoins or investment products. Yeah. And the third and last one is that it's key for Web3 and real finance to merge. Fixing RWA liquidity is how we get on-chain investing to work for billions of people. Yeah. Yeah, let's see the second part. Yeah.
I think the PPT hasn't moved.
It's not.
No. Yeah, the PPT fixing the first page.
Okay. Let me go to the next part, and I think this PPT it feed this content. Yeah.
It doesn't move. It's still in the first slide.
It's also on the first slide. No, the solution one on chain.
It's just to stop at the first slide. And it's not.
Let me exit for a moment.是 PPT 没有动吗？还是怎么？
对，它没有在播放模式，就一直是放在那个
第一页是吧？
一直是放在第一页，然后不是在播放模式下。
我想。但是我在后台这边是播放的呀。
你再 share 一下屏幕看一下。
我再试一下。先来共享一下我的屏幕。
对。然后。现在是 Solution One On-Chain Neutral Strategy。
OK， 我来把它整个播放，稍等一下。
看一下。
OK， 它移动了。
没有播放，它还是 stop 在这个第五页，它没有进到播放模式。
我在看
屏幕上面是进到播放模式了吗？现在在第6章。
我把它展示整个屏幕吧，稍等一下，它可能是窗口的原因，它就定在那个窗口了。
Fix the PPT issue because previously stopped at the first slide. 现在没有问题。OK。
可以动了吗？
动了。Yes. Okay.
Okay, sorry. Maybe there are some issues about the showcase. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just mute.
Yeah. Okay.
You want me to mute, or you want me to leave the speaker so other maybe can ask questions in the meantime?
Okay. Let's go on.
Okay.
Okay, wait a moment. I think I just communicate with you about the second part, ways to fix on-chain RWA liquidity. Yeah. Regarding this issue, I have considered 3 approaches to share with everyone. Yeah. There are certainly other better directions as well. So I hope we can explore them together and showcase the results of our exploration on HashKey chain. Yeah. And solution 1 is on-chain neutral strategies. Yeah. And this is the vault lending neutral approach. Here is how it works. We bundled RWA assets into a vault and use that as collateral to build stablecoins like USDC, USDT, or other mainstream stablecoins or HKD stablecoin in the future. Yeah. Then do basis upgrade on exchange, both on-chain and off-chain, like Binance, OKX, Hyperliquid, Jupiter, and these type of things. Yeah, and I think we can also throw in on-chain airdrops from projects like BearLayer, Design, and Prosper to build a steady return structure. Yeah, so I think it's perfect for investors who want to low-risk, steady games. The strategy is pretty closed off and needs pro-level ops. Yeah, but it's not volatile and the risk is controlled. Total low risk average. Yeah, and what it is. Yeah, I think it's maybe a CDFI product. It's centralized and on-chain mix. Yeah, and average product for people chasing stability returns. Yeah, and let me see how it works. Yeah, I think maybe mix centralized exchanges like Binance, OKX, and on-chain protocols to do cross-platform basis trading. Yeah, and the second is that pro-quant teams run support perpetual outreach to get the most out of their assets. The third one is that one on-chain entry point. Off-chain outreach, users don't have to manage their positions. Yeah, and let me give you some quick notes. Yeah, besides partnering to build this, we could also bring in projects like Lorenzo and etc. Yeah, they can buy lots of RWA assets, use them as collateral to issue new assets, and we can check with compliance if that gets wrong, there's certainly assurance limited. Yeah. Let me see the solution 2, cross-chain liquidity distribution. What it is and how this solution makes sense. Yeah, most RWAs get issued on a single chain right now, mostly Use or HashKey chain. Yeah, but people need liquidity across multiple existence. Yeah, cross-chain liquidity distribution use bridges and messaging layer protocols to map RWA liquidity to other chains. Yeah, that way the tokens can be used as collateral or added to LP pools on different chains such as BNB chain, Solana, and etc. Yeah, and making liquidity go further, it helps both HashKey chain and RWA projects make more money. Yeah, and I think it's sent to other DeFi projects who want to do this side. Yeah, and how to do it? I think maybe we can think about it. The first is that the issue the RWA assets on a main chain, such as HashKey chain or other chain. Yeah, and the second is that use CCIP layer 0 or wormhole to map this cross chain. And the third is that partner to set up LP pools, use lending and borrowing markets or purchase entry pools for the RWA on target chains. And the first is that build a 3-layer structure. The first layer is assurance layer, and the second layer is a circulation layer, and the third layer is a settlement layer. Yeah, and I think I need to introduce some other points such as assurance. such as hashkey chain for compliant asset insurance. And second is circulation, multiple chains, high liquidity chains, and layer 2s. And settlement, hashkey chain can do the compliant settlement and custodial. Yeah. And what boost about it? I think it can provide more liquidity. Same assets get trading dips on multiple chains. And the second is bigger user reach, taps in users on different chains such as BNB and Solana, and more attribute reach such as cross-chain price gaps, mean etc. gains, and others. Yeah, and who is for? Let me see who is for. Yeah, users active on multi chains, cross-chain RWAs, and RWA issuer looking forward liquidity across ecosystem. Yeah, and I can also give some crack notes. Besides cross-chain liquidity, we could also partner with exchanges and wallets. We can sell RWA assets directly to end users. These are the C end and through their platforms. That would need a war plan to do it. Yeah. And in addition, I need to explain how to use hashkeys compliance edge. Yeah, let me see this. How to use hashkeys compliance edge. I think the first one is the goal of cross-chain liquidity distribution. Yeah, maps RWAs to multiple chains, few secret bridges, and messaging protocols such as CCIP, Layer 0, Wormhole, or Mason, or other bridges. Yeah, and the second one is the create trading collateral and LP on target chain to expand liquidity. Yeah, such as we can do this LP on Jupiter or other mainstream DEX on other chains. Yeah, and keeping the compliant insurance layer unique. Yeah, or final statements go back to hashkey chain. Yeah, and the second one is that the three layer. Just I introduced you before. The first one is the insurance layer, and the second one is the circulation layer, and the third one is settlement layer. Yeah, and the third part is the KYC and compliance into layer. Alliance chain storage. Users can put their KYC and other status and blacklists on alliance chain or privileged chain, such as hashkeys private chain that keeps compliance data private and more safe. Yeah, and we can also use the standard ID protocols. Use ERIC 3643 on-chain ID or identity or compliance layer like chain CCID SE that cuts down on the cost for multi-chain deployment. Yeah. Let me see the third solution. I think it's just like some DeFi apps such as Pando, Wands, or other DeFi, and let me see what is it and how it makes sense. It's the same structure. Yeah. Let me think if we can split an RWA future cash flow into two separate tradable tokens, such as P token and Y token. Yeah, that's you saw on my screen. Yeah, the P token is represent the value redeemable. Yeah, and the Y token is the future interest. Yeah, and if we can split the RWA, we can do more things about these assets. Yeah. So that I think users can use this DeFi protocols like Pando, Element Finance, and Flash Stack or wants to split their yield and then set up trading pairs for P tokens and Y tokens on DEXs or institutional OTC platform, and use P tokens as collateral, then stack their vault lending strategy on top to boost returns. Yeah, and let me see what's the good about it. Yeah, the first one is that it's about the risk. Yeah, the first one. Because I think the conservation users buy P token, aggressive ones buy Y token. Yeah, and more liquidity. These two assets to trade, I think is maybe create more trading pairs. Yeah. And the third one is that structured innovation. Let's design more plans, more strategy, or more etc. Strategies like yield swapping or fixed income products. Yeah, and let me see who will do it. Yeah, I think the first one is a structured product designer, yield focused investors, and DeFi users who don't mind more risk. Yeah. Let me see this implement piece and the partner suggestion. And I think the world neutral strategy, on-chain position management, market making, and it integrated leverage these assets. We can let me think. We can find some partners or new DeFi protocols like Morpho, Design, Exter, or Lorenzo. Yeah. And you can see the picture on my screen. In this vault strategy, we can earn, let me think, maybe from 6 to 12% reward. Yeah. And the second one is a cross-chain LP. Yeah. Cross-chain LP distribution. Users cross-chain bridges to set up RWA mapping structure. We can see their partners. We can see the player just like CCIP layer 0 or a one-hole. Or if you want to do something about it, I think you can learn from it. Yeah. And the third one is that principal and yield split. Yeah. Split future cash flow and design tokenization for them. Yeah. We can see the partners such as Pando or WAS. Yeah. And we already bought in Teddy for on-chain governance, yeah, or Hashkey chain. Users can vote on which new assets to support or what the reward structure should be. Yeah, you can see this piece and the partner's suggestion. Yeah. And you can also see the risk management and the mitigation strategies to ensure the stability and the reliability of on-chain RWA liquidity. We can reduce the risk identification and the mitigation strategies essential. Yeah. So you can see the risk and the risk point. And let me see how we can resolve or how we can deal with this risk. Let me, for example, the market risk. I think users can use or project can use oracles and introduce reserve pool buffers. Yeah, and for the liquidity, I think we can collaborate with all RWA partners to establish market and making pools and integrate with DEX or lending or some other DeFi protocols. Yeah, and for the legal and compliance, I think we require issuers to disclose custodians and audit firms and introduce third party to do something compliance or do something audit for them. Yeah, and the last the yield. I think we can set APY caps and bind to the proportion of real online assets. Yeah. And to developers, yeah. Let's build Hashkey chains RWA system together and kick off DeFi's mainstream journey. Yeah. So I need to say hi to I think I would say hi for all developer friends. Yeah, because on-chain RWA liquidity is the key to helping DeFi break boundaries and reach mainstream assets. I think it's also the main driver for reshaping the financial market long term and the third part plan of neutral strategy, cross-chain development, or and the principal yield split has given us a workable way to make store assets flow fast. Yeah. So I think we can unlock the potential of billions in on-chain funds while sticking to safety and compliance rules. So bring a strong core to the RWA ecosystem. So in this process, HashKey chain will act as the core segment layer and the compliance anchor for RWAs, giving all developers solid support. And from building bases, channels, and keeping assets safe in the custodial to connecting cross-chain gateway, we will provide technical and resource support every step of this way. Yeah, this help RWAs truly become a new basis infrastructure on the chain. Yeah. We invite all of you to join HashKey chain and explore the endless possibility of RWA development together. For all RWA projects that partnered with us on HashKey chain, we will not only offer full technical support and resource connections, but also provide some incentives plans. Yeah, let's work together to make the RWA ecosystem thrive. So if you are interested in join, please feel free to reach out to us, to me, to Stephanie, or any other team members anytime. Yeah, I think let's stand side by side and start a new future where RWA powers finance. Yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Okay. Thank you for your explanation. And do we have any questions regarding so far the introduction? Yeah. Mm-hmm. You can hear, right?
I can hear your voice. Yeah. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to communicate with me directly. Yeah. If this question about technical or other technical purpose, you can communicate with Stephanie. And if it's about the BD side or the financial side, I can communicate with you. Yeah.
Yeah. There's a question.
Hi. I want to ask, so the real estate can be used as a token in RWA, right?
Yeah.
And so I have 3 related questions. The first one is, apart from our traditional rental income and the improvement of the asset itself, is there any other source of income in terms of this asset after it become RWA token?
I think if this asset becomes RWA token, it can deposit in lending and borrowing market to as collateral to make users to lend USDC, USDT, or other stablecoins or mainstream cryptocurrencies to do other DeFi strategies to get more returns for these RWA tokens. Yeah.
Well, thank you. So if there is more income related to this asset, so the token holders, can they get distributed of those income?
Yeah, definitely they can get distributed of this income because if you deposit these assets in lending and borrowing market, you can share the interest income. Yeah.
Thank you. I mean, if like someone rent the house out, and it can get the rent income, and the token holders can also get a distribution from that, right?
Yeah, sure. Sure.
Wow.
If you hold these asset tokens, you can get their income on chain and off chain. Yeah.
And what if someone wants to sell this house? Can that happen? Like, or what is the mechanism of selling the asset itself?
So I think let me think if someone or our holders want to sell this host, this structure will be dead. Yeah. So we need to have some redeem mechanism or this type of things to secure or token holders. If users want to sell his host, or the token would be redeemed. Yeah. So token holders will get their assets from this mechanism.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
And if someone holds, let's say, 51% of the token of the house, can they actually live in the house?
No. If someone holds more than 50% of the token of this host, he just can get the income of this host or these assets on chain and off chain. Yeah, but she or he can't live in this house.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, except he buy all the tokens and then redeem all tokens view their host holder.
So that means the percentage of the token he holds does not actually means he has a saying of the real like property right.
Yeah, definitely. It's different. It's different property.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Any questions?
Yeah.
Simple coins and also accounts. Yeah.
I have a question about for developers within the ecosystem who are trying to like build on RWA using Hashkey. What are some of the advices or maybe resources that you could recommend for developers?
I think now we already covered with some top players such as CPIC, GF Securities, and Bolsero. Yeah, both of them are the tier 1 financial institutions. So if we want to partner with them, I think we can introduce the resource to all developers or all applications in our ecosystem. Yeah.
Okay.
So the developers or applications on Hashkey chain can utilize these compliant assets, RWA assets, to do something. Yeah, such as we can do some DeFi strategies or to do some stake to mapping the assets to another chains or this type of things. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Any questions?
Yes. I have a question about the KYC process. I saw that you have a KYC layer, right? Like
Yeah.
CCID by Chainlink or some ERC standard. I just want to know how to merge the identity layer and the blockchain.
And I think maybe this is a technical question. Yeah. I just know how we do on Hong Kong. Yeah. If users want to do some KYC, we have an Hong Kong Hashkey exchange. Yeah. So users can submit his KYC to our exchange, and our exchange can do some audit processes to do it. Yeah. But if you want to know more details about the technical, I think you need to communicate with our developer or DevRels. Yeah.
Any questions?
What kind of real world assets do you guys have? Other than one of the common known is real estate and commodities and stuff. What are other RWAs? I
think real estate or stuff is hard to do RWA because we can account its real value. Yeah, so as at present, we prefer to do some RWAs like traditional financial assets such as ETF, MMF, or etc. Yeah.
Sorry, what was the last one?
ETF and MMF, etc. Both of them are traditional financial assets.
Okay.
MMF.
What is that? Mutual funds?
Money market fund.
So the best thing for the RWA is for the traditional financial assets, which is already digital version, right? So the physical version is harder to make RWA.
Yeah. The fixed version is hard to do some RWA because we need to do many things about it because its liquidity is very low in off chain. Yeah, so if we want to do some redeem or other steps, we need to do many things about it. So at present, we want to do. Let me think. I think the most easy projects are traditional finance assets. Yeah. So we can also do other projects such as holes, such as some others such as gold and silver. Yeah. Both we can do, but it's hard to do.
How exactly is the process of like how do you identify which assets, which ETF or things to map with RWA?
I think these assets and these things must be compliant. This is the first things. Yeah. And second thing is that the issuer must have these things, must have the property.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, does Hashkey have any presence in Africa? Because you're trying to build an app connected with.
I don't know because this may be our group strategy. I need to compare with our team members and get back to you. Yeah. So or you can also post your question in your official X account. Yeah. And I think our team members can maybe answer your question. Yeah.
Sure. All right. Thank you.
Okay. Any more questions? We have a group of students as well. Yeah. From Singapore. Yeah. Do you have any questions? Okay.
Yeah, so you can add me in this group, and if anyone have any other questions about Hashkey or RWAs, you can feel free to send some messages to me. Yeah, anytime.
Okay. So I think we stop it here, and thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you for interview. Yeah.
Bye bye.
A lot, appreciate, and have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Yeah,
Bye.
see you in Singapore.
Yep.